The laser-cut tree is created from 4 mm thick plywood. The tree design comes from a black and white 1024 by 768 pixel image found on the internet. It has been vectorized using Adobe Illustrator. The vectorized tree has been upscaled to a size of 1.5 meters, or approximately 60 inches. In Fusion 360, the tree has been split into multiple sections, fitting the 90 by 30 cm plywood board. The sections are interconnected with each other, using 3D printed, 50 mm, or 2-inch, standoffs. The 50 mm standoffs, for the interconnection of the segments, have also been designed in Fusion 360. The standoffs have multiple holes for 2.5 mm screws to interconnect the sections. It also contains a slot to feed the cable through. A small center hole can be used to mount the standoffs, however, because of the weight of the tree being relatively light, the tree hangs from the ceiling using a hanging rail, 2 hanging wires, and hooks. A 3.5-watt blue laser module was used to cut through the plywood. It required 3 passes of the laser to completely cut through the board. 92 NeoPixel LEDs are placed at the back of the tree. The LEDs are cut from a standard 5-meter LED strip, and are interconnected using flexible silicone servo wire. A 3D render of the tree from Fusion 360 has been used to determine the place on the tree and the amount of LEDs that were required. A view of the finalized tree from the back side. And an example of a few of the color patterns shown when the tree is mounted on the wall. Thanks for watching.